Unadorable? Yes. Well, usually I start my day off by rolling around in radiation. And then, I use a microwave hairdryer. That also uses microwave radiation. It does very well, but it sometimes goes to my head, if you know what I mean. If you put me in like the microwave, I would make it like malfunction. I'd be like... Yeah. I'd like malfunction a lot, actually. Yeah. Actually, let me pull out the microwave right now. Give me a second. Give me a second, this is stupid! This is great. Oh yeah, if I waved, that would also be a microwave. You fetishy fuck. Give me a sec. 1 second. Why am I doing this? Why am I wasting so much time? I don't even care. I'm a multitasking queen. Just watch. Just watch. This right here is a microwave. I'm going to put myself inside of it. Let's put ourselves in the microwave. I hope you're hungry. Let me cook myself. Just a second. I'm so hungry. Right? Alright. I am now about to go into the microwave. I'm ready. Let's go. It's all done. Well, what do you think? Don't I look amazing? This is my beauty treatment. This is what I do to look good for you. My head looks a little lumpy, if you... you see it? The microwave sort of fucked me up a little bit. Yeah. It's... I'm working on it. Yeah? The little potato that could? That's right. That's right. Don't worry, we'll grow it back little by little, right? Now I'll just start with like super short hair. Yeah. You wanna grip my head like a bowling ball? Don't keep giving me ideas, bro. Oh god. Anyways. Oh goodness, give me a minute. Because I'm being stupid. Oh gosh. Looking pretty good right now. Okay.
You died! You suck at this game!
That was the best that I could do. That was the best that I could do. Did you like it? Okay, good. Clap or die. No other choice.